Hello everyone. Today in this video we will understand what is React, why it is so widely used in the industry, and what type of problem does it solve. Like it is like you might have heard about this like everywhere. People oftenly talk about this. So why it is so popular? We will understand in this video, and we will see the basics and how does it work and why it is so popular. So let's get started. Now let's understand what is React.js. React.js is a JavaScript library which is built for creating user interfaces. What does I mean by user interface? For example, this is our server and this is our client. In the server, the all the logic of the application is there, and in the client, which is like the front end, the UI, which the actual user sees. Like I'm using this whiteboard to explain you all the things. So the what you are seeing in the front end, that is UI, user interface, and it is basically popular for creating single page applications. Single page applications like if I show you Facebook. Facebook is a single page application because we keep scrolling here. Like content is not end, it is endless. So it is a single page application. Or the React.js was developed by Facebook. Initially, React.js was a small project, but when they made it open source, so it became very popular because of its simplicity and fast performance, and it has component based architecture. Let me show you what do I mean by component based architecture. Here I will give you an example. Just look at one thing. This is our navigation bar, and in the background we have the stars, and uh, it has a theme of space. So if I change the page, the content is being like updated, not whole website is being loaded. As you will see, this is a component, navigation bar, this is one component, this is one component, and I have merged two or three components. As I told you, it uses component based architecture. And one thing also, it uses the concept called virtual DOM, document object module, and it uses virtual DOM. Let me explain you what is virtual DOM. Here is an example. As you can see here, let's assume this is our web page, original web page, and this is the updated web page. Uh, are you able to see this? This is a small button on our HTML page, and we want to hide this button. So let's assume I clicked on another button, and this button would be hidden. Now what I need to do, it compares. First, it has a original document and it has a copy lightweight virtual document. So it compares both of these documents and check where is the difference. Like here, the difference is made. The button is being hidden, so it just updated that only button component, button section, and it did not updated whole UI, whole page. So because of this concept of virtual DOM, it is so popular, and it has like large community and ecosystem for. There are communities where you can get your answers and queries resolved. And what are the use cases of React? React is like basically used for single page application because it is fast, dynamic user experiences. React is also used in creating mobile applications by using React Native, which is for creating cross-platform mobile application. Cross-platform means the it will create a single bundle or a file that can be run on iOS, app, Apple, and can be run on Android also. And this is it for today. And in the next video, I'll see you there.